Here is the key fob for your Infiniti QX60. Let's get started. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this. First thing we'll do is we'll get the physical key out. So press that switch there, pull the key out. Now right over there, put the screwdriver right in that small little slot and give it a firm twist. That's gonna pry it open. That's the important part. That's how you open this up. Just pry it open. Now to get the battery out, either use a small screwdriver or even just use that physical key, and from right over there, pry it out. Now the battery side is CR2032. The positive side is marked with the plus sign, negative side has no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then put it with negative side facing upwards and press it against that metal over there and then press it down. And then let's just put these two pieces together and then press them together. Make sure all the clips are engaged. Good. Now let's put the key back in and try it out. This is working fine. Lock as well, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.